Hello everyone, this is Amir from OrangePro. For context, OrangePro is an AI agent for software testing that monitors your production telemetry and updates your test cases with user data and workflows to find issues before your user sees them. Let me show you how it works. In order to generate test cases, you can either input a user story in natural language or a source code. So in this case, we are inputting a source code or a script of our application. Then you can add some application overview and generate your test cases. This is how the test cases are generated. You can export these test cases into different formats like Excel, TestWheel, or other test management systems. When it comes to automation, you can select different languages to automate these test cases. So for instance, in this case, we are automating the test case into Selenium. Once all the test cases are run, we can provide you with the execution report. For the failed test cases, we provide you exactly which microservice have the issue, since we have access to your source code and manual instructions exactly how to fix those issues. That is really helpful because now you don't have to spend more than a few seconds to debug and fix the test case. We also provide you a high-level test coverage. In fact, how many test cases are being covering the functionality and what are the test gaps. You can look at the test gaps, do some proactive action, and also some next step for testers so that you can start building up your test cases as your application evolves. And finally, how can you integrate your source code or test case repository with the production telemetry? So for instance, if you have a GitHub repository, you provide the information and then we upload that repository into our system. You select which production telemetry you are using, extract the user data from production and user workflows, and finally, it will update your regression test with the production data. You can run these test cases from here. So these test cases are running in real time, updating the information from the production, from data and workflows, and enriching your test cases. So anytime any of these test cases are failed, you get the notification and you be proactive about fixing those test cases. One of the biggest reasons defects leak into production is that there are millions of ways a user can interact with your app, and it's impossible to predict those scenarios by human QA. That's pretty much it. If you're working on an enterprise app and want to explore how can you integrate your test cases with production telemetry, let me know. Thank you.